I'm Harley Sprinkle.
And I'm Lexi Warhay.
And today we will be presenting on sexual abuse in schools. We chose this topic because it is a widely believed misconception that sexual assault and abuse only happens on college campuses and not in K-12 schools. The sad truth is thousands of children are being assaulted by classmates and teachers every year. This presentation will bring awareness by using real examples and provide advice to combat sexual assault in K-12 schools. Alright, the first case we will cover happened in a middle school in Alabama. In 2016, a 14-year-old female was raped in the boys' bathroom. Prior to the rape, the young girl reported to a teacher's aide that a fellow male student continuously asked for sex in the bathroom. Rather than taking the report to the principal, the teacher's aide told the girl to say yes and meet him in the bathroom so that teachers could catch him in the act. The girl followed the advice, but the assault happened before any teacher came. Afterwards, she went to see the school nurse, who found several rape-like injuries. This case is unique because not only was a school official informed, but the teacher's aide also encouraged the victim to engage in the behavior. This shows how little information schools have when it comes to handling sexual assault in K-12 schools.
Another case we're going to cover is in 2013-2014 school year, a Lone Peak girls basketball coach, Kyle Cocote, was arrested for having sex with two of the players on his team. The girls were 14 and 16 at the time. Kyle Cocote was charged with 2 counts of rape and was held without bond. He pled guilty to raping the girls and was sentenced to 15 years in prison. This is an instance where the school superintendent acted appropriately to the statements of the girls and their parents.
In freshman Charisse Morales of Billings Senior High accused her business teacher, Mr. Rambold, of rape. Following the accusation, Mr. Rambold was put on paid leave and then resigned. The investigation and court case lasted 7 years. The first ruling in Yellowstone County only sentenced Rambold to 30 days of jail, placing blame on Charisse for acting promiscuous. Finally, in 2014, the ruling was overturned and Rambold was imprisoned. However, because of the lack of support from peers and school faculty, Ms. Morales committed suicide 4 years before she got justice for her rape. Could this horrific rape and suicide have been avoided if K-12 schools acknowledged sexual assault and harassment?
Another case was Becky Hill. She is a behavioral counselor at Sanders School in Indianapolis. She was arrested July 2006 at the age of 31 for having sex with an autistic 15-year-old at 3:30 in the morning on a rural road. Investigations show that Hill's victim was mentored by her at the school, and she had also been abusing the boy since he was 15. She was charged with pleading guilty to 1 count of sexual misconduct, 2 years in prison, and 3 years probation. She also had to register as a sex offender. In my opinion, this isn't right, and this is where the justice system is screwed up. Some teachers get away with sexual misconduct and get 2 years, like Miss Hill, and others, like Kyle Coco, get 15. Having sexual relationships with your students is never okay. It is assault and will cause trauma later on.
The Me Too K-12 hashtag was a campaign designed to promote awareness and inspire action to counteract pervasive sexual harassment and sexual violence in K-12 schools. This hashtag provides a forum for individuals and victims to share their stories and gain a support team. There are many resources for victims, parents, teachers, and other school officials. Experts share advice of reporting, handling, and preventing sexual assault in K-12 schools.
Implications. After getting sexually abused in a school and the aftermath is traumatizing, pending the extent of the assault. Children develop eating disorders, become depressed, can get anxiety. You'll see a change in behavior more often than not, more aggressive. And some students may even attempt or commit suicide. What teachers can do. Act on it. Have guidelines in place. Make a report if necessary. Sweep the halls before and after class and lunch. Avoid having teachers alone in closed spaces with students. Make sure you are watching for suspicious behavior. It is important to be cautious. School boards need policies in place. School districts need better hiring practices. Provide training to staff members. Supervising and being aware of your surroundings and learning ways to identify suspicious behavior may save a student, and always be ready to respond to such behavior.